back to another video. You are watching your favorite channel where you get latest information for your gadgets out here. And today we are going to talk about a variant which is not just a variant but a gaming laptop out here. Yes, most popular gaming laptop out here by Lenovo's Y70 Touch laptop or notebook out here. Yes, this is a very interesting variant we can say. Reason being, it is not just a laptop, it's actually a most renowned name or very renowned we can say model for the gaming purpose. Gaming purpose की बात करें तो we can say that this variant is really amazing out here for the gaming purposes, as well as this variant offers a great range of specifications. uh, Talking about the specifications, let us talk about the highlights, talk about the features, let us talk about the advantages or we can say special categories points for this variant out first. Talking about this variant, we can say that this is not just a big name in the laptop series because Y70 is really a good variant out here. But in the gaming series, if you talk about the gaming purpose, then it is really amazing, offering you a great sound system because it has got incredible JBL speakers out here, which give you amazing sound quality. Along with that, it has got a very good performance along with the visual effects. You talk about the functionalities, they all have got really amazing. So the game person, if you are a game person, then definitely you should try this variant because offering you such a great environment for your games is a must try variant. Whereas another factor which add on to this is the screen size. Yes, if you talk about the screen size, then it has got 17.3-inch full HD display. So definitely this is really a great screen size, 17.3 inches screen laptop if you have, and you're playing a game on it with a such great quality, then you can there definitely not leave it. You can definitely try this variant out. This is a must try variant for that. Whereas if you talk about the name itself, if you talk about the name, then it has got a name touch in it. Yes, then it has got a multi-touch points out there, so we can say that it's a touch variant out here, offering you great specifications. Along with that, we already know that great JBL speakers are there, but with that, it has also got Dolby Advanced Audio Vision. So it offers you Dolby Advanced Audio Vision out here, which is really amazing out. Along with that, optical drive could be seen out. You get to see optical drive system so that you can easily port your games, because having good storage does not mean that it does not have a good storage. It has got a good storage, but when you have optical drive, then it is actually easier for the variants to port their games to read and write the drives out here. So easy they can have a lot of space. Like it increases the space category. Talking about this variant, talking about this version, we can say that it has got a great graphics, because if you don't have a great graphics, then how come your gaming becomes so incredible? So it provides a great graphics so that you have got a great gaming. Storage is really good. We already know that with a good video chat, yes, video chat is also great because if you are working on your PC, you're playing, you're doing anything, you need a webcam also sometimes because you need to stay connected with your loved ones out there. Along with that, you also get to see that it has got a verified pro version for login. This is a software which has got a face recognition out here, so that there is a verified security system out there. Security is out there, so that helps you to check out it. Talking about these things, let us talk about the internal components also. Few internal components so that we come to know about this gadget more. Talking about the internal components, we can say that it offers you a good processing system. Talking about the processing system, we can say that it offers you Intel Core i7, which is really good. It is not like we can say a bad. It is really good variant i7, that too from Intel Core i7. You are getting such a great processor out there. That's a wonderful thing out there. Apart from that, you get to see that it offers you a cache memory of 6 megahertz. M is the cache memory out here offering. So that's really great out there. As well as you get to see that it is offering you 2.6 gigahertz speed. That is the processing speed out here. That is 2.6 gigahertz. That is really amazing. But what amazes this gadget, or what makes this gadget really super amazing, is the turbo boost speed of it. That is a turbo boost 2 speed. That is 3.6 gigahertz. So that is incredible out here. This is such an incredible job done in this variant. Not just because it's a normal laptop out here or advanced laptop out here. No, not because of that. It is done because it has a name in the gaming laptops. That's the reason why this is preferred by the people or the users who love to have this gaming laptop. Talking about the Windows operating system, it operates on Windows 8.1 Pro version, which is a pre-installed version. If you have this gadget, then you might be knowing that it is a pre-installed versions always have in the laptops that you get from the laptops or the PCs out there. So it has Windows 8.1 Pro version, which is of 64-byte computerization, but it can be upgraded, downgraded out there. It can be download version is there, which is Windows 10 Pro. So you get to have an advanced Windows 10 Pro out here. That's really cool, an amazing thing. Apart from that, we already knew that it has got 17.3-inch Full HD screen out there. But apart, if we talk about the glance, because if you're playing game, then we definitely need to have an anti-glance monitor featuring. So it has got anti-glance monitor featuring along with IPS multi-touch point. So IPS technology is seen out here. So that is really amazing. Whereas if you talk about the touch points, then it has got really amazing touch points with one glass solution. That is the one glass solution which has got a very amazing output on the touch technology. As well as if you talk about the graphical parts which we were talking earlier, since it's a gaming phone or it's a gaming laptop, then you need to have a great graphics also. So talking about the graphical part, it has got an abundance of graphics out there. It offers you Intel HD 4600. Yes, this is the graphics in the processor itself. In processor, if you see, then you get to have Intel HD graphics 4600 out here. Apart from that, yes, there are really amazing versions in the graphical part. If you talk about NVIDIA GeForce out there, you talk about DirectX, you talk about the external parameters, external digital monitoring out there. So these can be things I've seen. Talking about the space out there, it offers you 4 GB memory space for the graphical part. Yes, just for the graphical part, it offers you 4 GB space. So that's a wonderful news out there for the laptop users. If you talk about the internal RAM quality, internal memory out there, because graphical part is okay, but how about the internal storage? If you talk about the internal storage, then it has got an internal storage of 1 TB. Like the storage capacity, hard drive storage out here is internally 1 TB. Up to 1 TB you can definitely try out. So if you don't want 1 TB, then you can have a customization in this, like 256 or 512 GB also. You can customize it accordingly. But definitely, company offers you up to 1 TB. It also offers you 5,400 RPM speed. That is the spindle speed, rotation per minute out here. 5,400 out here. This speed is really good, not very bad, not very good, but yes, it's a very good speed out here because of this. Your functionality is really quick. But if you talk about this variant, then you get to see that it has got a hybrid drive also with 8 GB storage. What does this hybrid drive mean? It clearly means that it can be easily portable out here. You can port this external storage out here. So 8 GB is expandable out there for you. If you talk about this internal storage, then we cannot neglect out this RAM space, that is random accessory memory out here. It offers you into two variants, like 16 GB and 8 GB variants out there. Now you get to have these two variants, 16 and 8 GB, and both the variants offer you a great rated memory speed that is about 1600 megahertz. This is the rated memory speed offered out here. Along with that, if you talk about the RAM type, because RAM type plays a very important role in gadgets, it offers you DDR3L RAM type. Yes, it is offering you DDR3L RAM type, whereas the storage is not HDD, it is SSD storage. Yes, you get to have solid storage out here, not a hard drive storage out there. Talking about the slots, this memory card has got really amazing slotations out there. This is really good that this variant is offering you so much in it that it has become a household name for most of the gadget users. Whereas you get to have 1 megapixel web camera. Web camera, as we told, is good for the connectivities out there for connecting to our loved ones. 1 megapixel web camera is being offered out here along with a 720 pixel HD camera, fixed focus, and a combo of array mic. Yes, array mic, because we know JBL is there, speakers are good. Mic is also inbuilt in it because we need to have a mic for conversation purpose out there. Since it has got a optical drive in it, you get to see external optical box out there, which is for the DVDs out there. You can have that look also. Along with that, if you talk about this variant, we can say that it is slightly heavy. Yes, it is slightly heavy out here, offering you 3.4 kg weight. So it offers you approximately 3.4 kg weight out here with a battery life of up to 5 hours. Yes, you get to have a battery life of up to 5 hours, which is with 4 cell lithium iron polymer out here with 54 volts out there. So you get to see this kind of variant. Along with it, yes, you get to have other connectivities, like if you talk about the connectivity with ether or audio connectivity, you talk about WAN connectivity, you talk about wireless connectivity. So these can be seen out here. If you talk about wireless WAN, then it might be slightly disappointing that it does not offer you wireless WAN connectivity out here much. But definitely it offers you USB 2 type ports out there, power jacks out there, Ethernet jacks, SD card readers. These kind of connectivities are also seen in this variant. Now let us talk about the pricing also, because this variant comes along with a various variety of prices on various of sites. So let us talk about the best site for this. Here is the best site for you guys to check out. That is at justatclick.com. Yes, justatclick.com offers you a great range of products under your pocketable rates. Yes, pocket friendly rates, pocketable rates you get to see out here. Talking about this variant, let us search this variant on this we can say search bar, which helps us to check out our favorite gadgets in a very limited way, we can say. So this is Lenovo's Y70 touch notebook out here for you guys, and it has got a small description box at the bottom and a small description at the top. The best part of this website is that it offers you customization also. Yes, you get to have customization option also. As you can see that this variant is slightly different from the talking about, so you can customize it accordingly. Talking about this variant, we can say that it offers you a condition that is refurbished. So let us talk about this refurbished condition so that we know about refurbished products and what does refurbished products offers you. Talking about refurbished products, so we can say that refurbished products are actually nothing else, but they are quite similar to brand new. Or we can say that brand new products and refurbished products are actually same in the structurality, functionalities, test is out there, everything is same. Whether you talk about the designs, they are actually same. Talk about the functionalities, that is also same. But the only difference lies out is that the refurbished products are actually pre-owned gadgets. Yes, we can say that the refurbished products are pre-owned gadgets, so you get to see that they offer you different functionalities. Now, talking about these pre-owned gadgets, does it make any difference in anything in the look function? No, it does not make any difference in the looks, functionalities, nothing. The only difference lies out is in the pricing out there or the usage capacity, like it has been used before. So these kind of things. Now, talking about the refurbished products, let us talk about the passage, because we should know how does the refurbished products are pre-owned. So talking about the pre-ownization, there is a normal platform or normal chain which is followed out. That is the base, mediator, and consumer. For brand new, the base is nothing else but the company which is giving out the product. Mediator is the marketplace which offers you the gadget out in the marketplace. And the user is the consumer out here which consumes or takes the gadget. So this is all about the brand new concept. This is what happens in the brand new passage or the chain. कि कंपनी मार्केट में लेकर आती है प्रोडक्ट को फिर यूज करता है यूजर. So this is what happens in the brand new. Talking about the refurbished product, this is actually the extension of this version. Yes, this is the extension of brand new. What happens now is the user have that gadget and wants to resell this product, is not using that product, wants to resell, is bored of that product. So what happens is that product is brought up in the market through the user. Now this user becomes the owner of that gadget and the base. Now it is going to resell it. Now to resell, you have to bring it into the marketplace, and then it is again resold to the another user. Yes, then it is resold to another user. Now there lies a small difference out here. Yes, there lies a very small difference. What happens is, in brand new product, company testers verifies it before launching into the market. But in refurbished product, when we resell it to a site or to a marketplace, then it is verified, tested, then it is brought up in the site to sell it. But this testing is done within the site itself. No external sites are involved. But in companies, after testing, it has to be checked with other websites also. There are few specifications, few testings out, websites which check the specifications too. So there is a difference in the checking parameters where it has to be checked. Now, otherwise the parameters are absolutely same, whether the testing parameters you compare, design you compare, functionality you compare. Talking about the design, the structures, we can say whatever the company states, the same design has to be seen in the refurbished product. Functions has to be same. It might be customized. Yes, they might customize it accordingly. How they might customize, like if there is a functionality given through the company that they can customize it accordingly, then they can easily customize the product. Talking about the products, we can say the test parameters are absolutely same, whether it's external parameters or internal parameters. Talking about the external parameters, we can say that the external parameters includes the factors or the parameters which do not require any equipment. Like there are parameters which involve the display, the scratches, button intactness, button working, battery, jacks out there, connectors, camera, on off button, whether how long it is taking to start, how long it's taking to off. So these, like externally, which you do not require any external or the any other parameters or any other gadget to test them. The keys which are being in the place in keyboard have placed orderly, like the way it should be placed, is this that way or not? The 12 functional keys are working or not? Arrow keys are working or not? Touchpad is working or not? If there is any scratch, what kind of scratch it is it repairable or it is non-repairable? What kind of scratch it is actually? First, it has to be checked that way. Repair was if it can be repaired, then it has to be done. If it is non-repairable, then it has to be seen in another way. So it has to be checked every throughout. Once the external parameters are done, then it comes to the internal parameters. Now, what happens to the internal parameters? They need equipments. There are few equipments, or you can say there are specified gadgets which are required to test them, because internal processors, graphics, condensers, or each and every part out there which has to be checked internally needs specified gadgets. Talking about the connectivities out there, talk about the visuals out there, the resolution, talk about the graphical part, processor, RAM quality, RAM type, storage, portability, drive out there, internal connectors out there, everything needs to be verified. Once each and every part, every section is verified, which and is supposed to be the same as it was mentioned by the company, then it is said that it is all good to use. It has a good quality, good service is being provided by this. Now it gives you a good functionality, and it is certified as refurbished. Now what happens to the structurality? It is absolutely same. If it has some mishappenings in it, if the product is not working properly, it has to be replaced with the original parts. Yes, if it is having a really damaged part, then it has to be replaced, and once it is replaced, then it is brought back into the market. Otherwise it has to be discarded there itself. So what are the advantages of having refurbished product? Because these seems like absolutely same. So what is the major difference or the major advantages? Talking about the advantages of having refurbished product is number one, the pocket friendly rate offered out. Yes, you get to have pocketable rates. How it is like brand new products are actually expensive out here. You get to see that brand new products are actually expensive. They might offer you slightly high pricing, but refurbished products they are generally less expensive, or you can say they are quite cheaper out here as compared to brand new. So they are offering you pocket friendly rates. Apart from that, you get to see that since there is a difference in the pricing, you get to save a lot of money. Yes, you get to save a lot of money out here. There could be a great savings done with this so that you can use it on other products too. Talking about the warranty period in brand new products, we get to see 1 year warranty period in brand new products, like 1 year warranty along with exchange policies out there. So refurbished products offers you 6 months warranty. Yes, 50% warranty period is given. That is the 6 months warranty period out here. Yeah, usually pre-owned gadgets don't offer you warranty period, but if you have a condition that is refurbished, then you get to have 6 months warranty period. Apart from that, you also get to have 7-day exchange policy. So this is really good that you get to have 7-day exchange policy along with it. Talking about these factors, let us talk about the site also, which offers you these specifications. We were talking at this site that is just at click.com. The site itself means you are just a click away, just at click. That is the website name. This site offers you mostly refurbished products, so they offer you the pocket-friendly rates, savings. You can save a great savings out here, 6 months warranty, 7-day exchange policy. Along with those things, you get to have COD. Yes, you get to have the COD out here. Along with that, you also get to have hassle-free shopping, along with the free home delivery, money back guarantee, online support system. You can have all these specifications out here. So what does the shipping means? This shipping means that this offers you 48-hour shipping timing within most parts of UAE, whereas it might take up to a week in Saudi. But yes, this site offers you a option that is customizability option. So because of that, you can customize your gadget if you want to have some RAM variation in the storage capacity, processing out there, Windows out there, which can be customized. Yes, which can be customized option are available on this site. So depending upon the customization, it might take vary in the shipping timing. But yes, definitely, this is really amazing website for you all to check out the best pricing for your gadgets, best pocket friendly rates out here. So you can definitely check out the website. Description has the link, or you can go on Google and type just at click.com. Till then, take care. I'll see you in the next video.